Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to resolve a Rubik's Cube. I'm gonna put you the movements you have to do in right here, but I'm gonna explain you a little past the basic that you have to know to make it. The first, you have to recognize the faces. How do you recognize? Because the piece in the middle, this is the color of this face have to be like this is going to be white, this is going to be blue, yellow, green, and yeah, and red. Okay, then you have to make a cross. I'm gonna put you the movements right here, so I'm gonna make you a little faster. This are in the middle, so yeah, you have to make to coincide this blank here and this orange just right here. It's just right here, like this. And yeah, you have to make a cross. Yeah, just like this. Make a cross, and the colors coincide with the corresponding. Yeah. The next step you have to do is these corners have to coincide with the color. In this case, it have to be white, orange, and green. Again, I'm gonna put the movements right here. Yeah, so I'm gonna make you. Yeah, just like that. All the colors coincide. And this is the white white face. Yeah. The next step you have to do is like these corners have to coincide again with the color like this. For this is important that this this piece like this one is green and red, so this is going to move right here. You have to put with this color and this it is red like this. And yeah, I'm gonna put all in the place a little faster. Yeah, just like this. And you have the first and second. Now we have to make the yellow face. In this case, again, we have to need a cross right here. I'm gonna make it all the movements are right here. Yeah, you have the cross. Now the next step is find the two colors coincide. Like this coincide, but this no. So have to make it coincide. No, this is a problem because this coincide with this one. So we have to make this movement. I'm gonna put you right here. So how to coincide with this and this. are this. You have to find, yeah, just right here, the blue and the red. And we're gonna make it again, the same move. Yeah. Now we have the cross, yellow cross, and all the colors coincide with in the middle. Now the final step have to make this cross, this corner coincide with all the colors. Now we have to find one like this. This is blue, yellow it's right here, and orange is here. We're gonna make this movement for make all the four coincide. It's here. Yeah, now all coincide. This is the is blue, this is yellow, and this is orange. This is already make it, and this one too, and the same. This movement is the most difficult, so it's right here. And yeah, it is. You have the Rubik's Cube resolve. Thanks for watching. Until the next.